Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, James with the Chart Guys. It's Thursday, July 19th. Going to do my nightly video on gold. So gold today has a bullish reversal candle here. Came on quite a bit of volume, increasing volume here. So what we could have here potentially is a volume climax on a bullish reversal candle. And volume climaxes can potentially signal a reversal at least in the short term. So what I'll be watching for continuation is a break of today's high at 129.60, and we've had bullish reversal candles on the daily gold that have not confirmed, so waiting for confirmation tomorrow to see if we can break above the high of today of 1229.60 and close above that level. The key level next is going to be to set a higher high on the daily, which is all the way up here at 1266.90. So on the daily, gold bulls still do have a lot of work to do. Looking at the hourly, so in the chat room live, I was watching these inside hourly candles forming, high and low within previous ranges, high and low, another inside candle, and we did break that bullish with a lot of volume. Some healthy consolidation here to show me some real strength here, and that bulls are serious here. I would like the bulls to break the high of this 1 hour candle tomorrow or overnight at 1229.60. That's the high of today for that continuation on gold. Looking at the dollar. Looking at the dollar had an opposite thing. They had an inside candle here, high and low, broke, bearish, getting a little bit of a bounce, potential for a bear flag here, but we'll confirm with a break of today's low here of 94.933. Looking at the daily time frame on the US dollar. So US dollar did break to a higher high on the daily, but that's a lot of profit taking, quite a bit of, well, not profit taking because the dollar index isn't really traded like that, but anyways, it's a long upper wick here. We are still forming higher highs and higher lows. So key to be watching for gold bulls is going to be a lower low and break of the support here on the daily here at 94.296. So key level to be watching for on the US dollar daily. Looking at the senior miners. Senior miners did have a nice bounce on the gap down, but you can see quite a bit of profit taking there on GDX. So still not convinced by gold or the bull miners yet with that profit taking into the close. Looking at the hourly on GDX. So GDX on the hourly is forming higher lows here and higher highs. So the key tomorrow, of course, would be break today's high at 21.92. And the next resistance that we'll be watching for is at 21.94, just 2 cents above that. Let me change it to a 4-hour chart here. So high of today, breaking that 21.92. So we did form a higher high on the 4-hour by breaking above the resistance here at 21.88. But again, a lot of profit taking doesn't give me a lot of confidence yet. Be much more confident in this bounce if bulls show up tomorrow and are able to take out 21.92 here. The next level we'll be watching for are going to be these lower highs that were set on the way down on the 4-hour. GDXJ, same scenario, did break to a higher high on the 4-hour, broke yesterday's high here at 32.34, but again, a lot of profit taking, so need to be a little bit cautious here. Again, I'd find a lot more confidence if bulls show me that this wasn't a short-term deal thing where one day it was just on some type of, whatever news about Trump tweeting something about the Federal Reserve, whatever that thing was about. If they're able to take out the high of this candle, of this hourly candle with a lot of upper wick at 32.37. So that's going to be major resistance to be watching for tomorrow with 1 day of trading left. Looking at the monthly on GDXJ, of course, we are still in this long equilibrium pattern of high, low, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low. Monthly still just trading in a range. We are rejecting off that monthly 20 MA now several times, so that's going to be key. It's going to be that 20 MA for me if we're able to regain that. And of course the price resistance is for a bull break here, looking for a break of 36.08, and for a bear break, looking for a break of 29.88. So hopefully within this year sometime this pattern will break for us to find a nice swing trade in junior miners. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.